Japan to build drone-based coastal defense system. Japan's defense ministry plans to establish a new coastal defense system built around thousands of drones, allocating about 100 billion yen, $628.7 million, in its fiscal 2026 budget. The planned shield system will include more than 10 types of drones designed for different roles, including attacking enemy ships, gathering intelligence, and protecting radar installations. The concept is to create a layered defense capable of disrupting and slowing potential maritime advances. A senior defense ministry official said Japan risks falling behind if it continues relying on conventional approaches. If we just keep the conventional way of combat, we'll be left behind, the official said. According to the ministry, the system is intended to operate in a coordinated, multi-layered structure, combining surveillance, strike, and defensive drone capabilities along coastal areas. This approach is aimed at improving situational awareness while providing flexible response options against maritime threats. In practical terms, such a system would allow Japan to monitor and engage targets without relying solely on traditional platforms such as manned aircraft or large naval vessels. Drones can be deployed in larger numbers and at lower cost, making them suitable for persistent coverage and rapid response. However, officials acknowledge that several challenges remain before the system can be fully implemented. One issue involves communications infrastructure. A senior ground self-defense force official said frequency bands will need to be adjusted to avoid interference with civilian technologies such as televisions and smartphones. Training is another constraint. A ministry official said that both training locations and operational methods require further development to support large-scale drone use. In one recent incident, a reconnaissance drone crashed due to strong winds during a training session at the GSDF's Kurashima training area, highlighting operational risks. Japan also faces a shortage of trained personnel capable of operating multiple types of drones. As of the end of March last year, the ground self-defense force had about 1,200 drones, underscoring the scale of expansion required to meet the SHIELD program's ambitions. Domestic production capacity is another area of focus. Officials say Japan needs to develop the ability to manufacture, repair, and upgrade drones at scale. The Defense Ministry noted that Ukraine produced about 2.3 million drones in 2024, reflecting both rapid technological development and high attrition rates in combat. Creating foundations that allow for quick and mass procurement, as well as repair and upgrades, is important in terms of strengthening deterrence power, Defense Minister Shinjiro Koizumi said at a ministry meeting. At the same time, industry faces uncertainty. A ministry official said companies find it difficult to predict long-term demand for drones in Japan, complicating investment decisions and production planning.